With this exact strategy that tells you the real win rate of 90%, trade in the shortest period of time and get a huge profit within 20 minutes. Subtrend strategy. The supertrend indicator can be used as a trend following tool. When the supertrend line is below the price, it indicates an uptrend, and when it is above the price, it indicates a downtrend. Traders can enter a long position when the price crosses the supertrend line in an uptrend, and enter a short position when the price crosses the supertrend line in a downtrend. Support and resistance strategy. The supertrend indicator can also be used to identify potential support and resistance levels. Traders can look for price to break out of the supertrend line in an uptrend and use it as a support level. Conversely, traders can look for price to break out of the supertrend line in a downtrend and use it as a resistance level. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. How can I confirm the supertrend indicator with support and resistance levels? 1. Look for key support and resistance levels. Identify key support and resistance levels on the chart, such as the previous peak and trough. 2. Use horizontal lines. Draw horizontal lines on the chart to show support and resistance levels. 3. Use trend lines. Draw trend lines on the chart to show dynamic support and resistance levels. Look for the supertrend line to intersect these levels, because it can indicate a change in the trend or the continuation of the trend. Use other indicators. Use other indicators such as moving averages or oscillators to confirm the supertrend indicator with support and resistance levels. For example, if the supertrend line crosses a key support level and the price is above the moving average, it can add more credibility to the bullish signal. You see, the most important reason that can help you is to use this strategy together with FIBO. That is, trade with FIBO and this strategy together, then take a signal from it with the real BLAM orderer, which works better. This should take a lot of practice, maybe 1 or 2. Your position may be ruined, but by practicing and finding the golden zone, it is much more important in this work. That is, you should use it in such a way as to read the hands of the banks. This is said in the video. The shorter the trading period, the more likely certain trends will be visible, and the indicators will give you more trading signals. Now suppose that you have chosen the daily time frame, and you are actually a day trader. In this case, you are a person who trades several times a day and closes all your positions before the end of the trading hours of the market that day, so that you do not have a position to play at night and therefore take a lot of risk in the position. Not yours. The supertrend indicator considers the values of both the lower and upper bands alternately, but with the condition that the lower band cannot decrease and the upper band cannot increase. If this happens, the supertrend indicator takes into account the relative value of the band of the previous period. When the closing price of a candle crosses the value of the supertrend indicator of the previous period, the indicator starts to follow the opposite band, which leads to a reversal of the trend. Supertrend indicator trading strategy rules. These rules are: buy when the closing price of a candle crosses the previous value of the supertrend indicator in an upward direction. Sell when the closing price of a candle crosses the previous value of the supertrend indicator in a downward direction. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.